Yo, y'all know who it is. Tony from Stick With Us Delivery Service. Hey, today I got great news for y'all, man. I'm about to teach y'all how to become fleet owners. I'm going to teach you how you can have one cargo van, turn it into 3, 5, or 10 cargo vans or more. Totally up to you, totally up to your hustle, your grind, and how you were able to get there. Also, I'm about to pull up on one of my mentees. He's already grossed about $2,000 in the first half of this year. Within 6 months, he's already at $200,000, and that's because he just don't have one cargo van. He has 2 cargo vans, and that's what I tell y'all. You can do this with 2 vans. 6 months, $200,000. Like, come on, man. And we finna pull up on him in a second. Y'all can chop it up with him. You know, he can't ask questions because I'm filming, but I'm gonna ask questions so he can answer them to y'all. And he's only 24 years old. So just imagine a young man that's 24 years old. Imagine where he's gonna be at when he's 30 years old. Of course, he's gonna be a millionaire. As long as he stay on the path he's on, stay focused, stay moving the way he's moving right now, he'll hit that millionaire status. I'm telling y'all, I know it. I absolutely know it, and I'm proud of him. For him just to be 24 years old and accomplishing what he's accomplishing. He's actually got like local contracts now, in-state contracts now, and he's been really doing good for himself, and I'm truly, truly proud of him. Like, just proud of him. There's nothing else I can say about it. I'm proud of all my mentees, man, especially, the ones that follow that blueprint. I just got off the phone with one of my mentees. Shout out to Marcus out of Houston, Texas. He was just telling me how even with him just working with dispatchers, he's been able to stack dispatchers. He's been able to have some $4,000 weeks, which is amazing. And I tell people that you can't have those type of weeks, but you got to have that hustling. You got to have that dog. If you ain't got that dog in you, then, you're not going to see those type of numbers. But if you got that hustling, you got that dog in you, you can see those type of numbers. Look at that cargo van just passed me. Cargo vans are everywhere. We taking over. We taking over one city at a time. Nah, shout out to all the cargo van owner operators out here, man. I see all of y'all, man. The transporter, I see you. EIP, I see you. Cargo P, I see you. Monica, I see you. Darius, I see you. Israel, I see you. I see all y'all. If I forgot to mention somebody, my bad. I see all of y'all, man. Peter, I see you. You feel me? Mary out there in PA, I see you. I just want to shout out a couple of y'all, let y'all know I see y'all. I see what y'all doing. Braveheart, Brave Transport. I think it's Braveheart or Brave Transport out of Cali. I see you. Proud of all of y'all. Keep being amazing, man. Go follow them on social media. All those names I just named out. But I'm super proud of y'all, man. And like I said, man, I'm about to pull up on one of my mentees right now. 24 years old, already done made $200,000 in the first 6 months of 2025. So that's why I tell y'all, man, have a vision, have a goal, have a plan, and you can execute this. Now, I do got a class coming up on July 19. July 19, I'm gonna teach you. I want to teach you what I know. I want to teach you how you can become a fleet owner. I want to teach you how to hire employees, how to find employees, how to resource them, how to get their motor vehicle report to make sure you're just not hiring anybody, because that's very important. You don't want to hire somebody that get a whole bunch of speeding tickets, who got DUIs and all this type of stuff that can be a liability for your company. That's not the type of people you want to hire, driving for you, and because that can mess you up. You know what I'm saying? And your insurance gonna go up. When you add them on your insurance gonna be way higher just for having that driver, because he doesn't have a good driving record. So you have to be cautious of all of that kind of stuff, when you start hiring drivers. You also want to have a spreadsheet, so that way you'll be able to keep track of, what broker or what dispatcher or what freight forwarding company that you got the load from, where it picked up at, where it dropped off at, how much it was paying, how much the driver gets from that. You want to keep a record of every single thing. I'm telling y'all, all of this is extremely important when you start in this business. You got to keep a record of everything. Always dot your I's, cross your T's. The way I like to do it, and I mean, to each his own. I'm gonna keep it 100. To each his own. But the way I like to do it, and I would advise you all to do it as well, the best thing for y'all to do is, if you can, this is what I want you to do. If you can, just go, hold on, let me, yeah, so if you can, this is what I want y'all to do, man. If you got drivers and stuff like that, just, whatever you get, I mean, just to each his own, this is how I do it. Whatever I book my load for, I want my driver to see exactly what I booked the load for. Because if he can see what I booked the load for, he know how much, if I'm dispatching that driver, he know what I'm charging the dispatch. If that's one of my own personal drivers, he already know we're doing like a 46-60 split. He take 40%, I take 60%. That's because I'm the owner operator. I got to pay all the equipment. I got to pay all the overhead, all of that type of stuff. 40% is still a lot of money. I know some people do 35%. I actually do net. I don't do gross, because if I give him that percentage out of gross, then I'm taking an L. So I do it out of my net. So for instance, if I do if that driver does $3,000 for the week and I charge 40% of the net, on average, I'll even do the math right here with y'all so y'all can see it, so y'all will know. So let's say my expenses are $700. That's gonna leave me with $2,300. So I'm gonna times it by 40%. So I'll pay the driver $920. Knowing me, I'm gonna give my driver $1,000. So I give my driver $1,000 a week. I brought in, I net $2,300. So if I get him 1,000 out of 23 minus 1,000, then that leaves me as an owner operator with a $1,300 net with just that one van. Now let's say you somebody who just getting in the game and you got 5 vans. We'll times that by that 1,300 and you got 5 vans. So you'll make $6,500. That's net. That's not even gross. You would net $6,500 a week. And if you times that by 4, that's $26,000 a month that you would be netting with 5 vans. $26,000 a month you would net with 5 vans. For the year, you're making $312,000, and that's every year, and that's net, y'all. That's not gross. I'm speaking net. Now we'll do the gross. This is what you're gross. If you're doing $3,000 a week, you got 5 vans, you're gross $15,000. That's every that's my bad. That's every month. If I'm not, no, I'm so wrong. My bad. That's $15,000 a week. Let me get my mind right. That's $15,000 a week that you were gross. If you got 5 vans, every month you'll gross $60,000 a month. If you got 5 vans, you'll gross $60,000 a month. Every year you will gross $720,000. That's what you will gross every single year if you got 5 cargo vans, 5 drivers. This will be your gross, $720,000. So that's what I be saying. So like my other mentee, Cargo P. Cargo P has 12 vans. So let's do the math on Cargo P. 12 vans times, let's say, each van is doing, that's 3,000, 369, that's 12. So that's 12, 369, so that's 12,000 times 12. Okay, so that's 144,000 a year for one van. Let's times that by 12. $1.7 million. Now, mind you, Cargo P got 12 vans, 2 box trucks, and a dump truck. So that's why he grossing well over $2 million. That's easy. It's a math game. And that's what y'all got to know. You got to know that this is math. You got to know how to break the math down. You got to understand. I just showed y'all gross. That's not his net. Even though his net is still going to be high, it's still going to have a nice amount of net, is what I showed y'all not too long ago. So, you know, this is amazing. I love this game. I can't lie. This game is changing so many lives every day, all day. I'm waiting on right now one of my mentees to pull up, chop it up with him real quick, so y'all can see what he doing. And like I said, he's 24. He already did 200,000 so far this year. So just stay tuned. He finna pull up. Stick with us. We got you. You heard?
Quick question, bro. It's 2,500 pounds, and it's just concert equipment.
Yes, 2,500 pounds. Concert equipment.
And they don't want any beds in the cargo area, right?
No bed, nothing.
Okay, because I could just take it out. It's not that big of a deal.
Okay.
All right, cool. Thank you.
All right.
Yeah, I'm Colombian. I speak Spanish.
Alright, man. Alright, Marlon.
All right, bro. Thank you.
Let me get, yeah, I'll call you right back.
All right.
Alright, man.
Hey, yo, Marlon, I was telling everybody I was about to meet up with you, man. You know what I'm saying? What, you 24 years old now?
Yes, sir. Just turned 24.
I told you what, you on pace, what? You only did 6 months so far. You already at 200,000 for the year.
100,000 for the year.
Young phenom. Y'all get familiar with this face, man. I'm telling y'all. Man, going places. So what you were just doing right now?
So I was literally, when I pulled into the lot, I was on my phone looking at the load board where all the cargo van loads come out, and then I see a load and I see a broker's name and I recognize it immediately, because what I did when I first started out like 2 years ago is I would write down the brokers' names and the load that I did. And so for a few of the brokers, I noticed that they move a lot from Florida, and this one specifically moves with like concerts and stuff like that. So I gave him a call, I informed him about the load, and I did place a bid on it with my dispatchers. And so we were just talking on the phone, you know, trying to get information and see where it's at and see if I can book the load. They need a 16-foot van for this.
And guess what?
And that's what, right here.
That's what he got, y'all. Look how, you feel me? A Mercedes-Benz, man, it's different, yo.
Yep, 4 pallets.
That's right, most definitely. That's why you got to invest in yourself. You got to bet on yourself. That's why I tell y'all, man. I know some people, you know, you got to get what you can afford when you first get started. But once you start making the money, scale up. That's the key to this game. That's the whole purpose of this video. I was telling people that you can start with one van, but you got to start scaling up. Even if you got to go and get a bigger van, even if you want to go get your second van, or you want to be dispatching for other vans, you got to scale up. That's the only way you're going to see like higher numbers, higher growth, higher net profit. Only way.
100%.
Yeah. You got any words for the people, man? If people that want to be a fleet owner, don't want to scale up their business?
If you really want to scale up your business, you got to stay consistent. You got to save up as much as you can, especially that first year. Try not to get a lot of overhead. You know, a lot of people, they'll make like 3-4K in a week and be like, oh, I can get this Courier, I can make the payments. It's $600, $500 a month.
Yeah.
Insurance is like 200, and then they go blow their money on dumb stuff.
Yeah.
Transmission blows in their van or something, God forbid, and then they're in a tough situation, you know?
Yep. And that's why it's so hard just having that one van, because that one van is all you got. So it really can't nothing happen to it. You got to get extended warranties, all of that, to protect that one van. If you got 2 vans and one van go down, you still making money. You got 3 vans, one go down, you still got 2 to make money. So that's how you got to look at it. Those of you that want to become fleet owners, you know, you got to have a backup plan. You got to be able to keep your wheels moving, or just go get a rental van until that van get fixed. You know, that's why you got to have capital. That's why I tell a lot of people, like, a lot of people get in the game and they want to be very nitpicky, or I only want to go 200 miles or 300 miles. Like, why are you playing with your business like that? You playing with your career, you playing with your business, you playing with something that you just built from the ground. Don't do that. Make as much as you can now. I'm telling y'all right now, we in July. The next 6 months, I guarantee you, if you hustle hard enough, you'll do 70 to 80K. Because you got to remember, the holidays is coming. You feel me? Right now, he working on the load right now. That's a round trip from Miami, Florida to Manhattan. Round trip. What, about $2,300?
Yeah, $2,300 is what I offered.
Yeah.
And it's about 2,500 miles, total miles, like including my deadhead from here to Doral and then all the way over there to here.
Most definitely, man. So, hey, look, man, like I told you, I got the class July 19. Make sure you hit the description below. Sign up for this class. I'm going to give y'all 50% off. I already have that price ready for y'all, so it's going to be extremely low. Ain't no reason why you can't start a cargo van business, become a fleet owner, become social media influencers. The whole 9 yards I'll be teaching in this class. And stay tuned for next month. Me and Marlon got something real big for y'all coming in August. So I always tell y'all, stick with us.
Gotcha. Stick with Velez Express.
And we truly got you.
Yeah.
Most definitely. Let's get it.